morning, my name is Caroline. I'm still in Langkawi. So for this morning we plan to do a Mangrove Tour. So let's hope it will be nicer than the one we did yesterday.
We went to Tanjung Ru Beach, where we started the day with some roti canai. The best way to see the mangrove forest is by boat. The first stop on our tour is the floating fish farm. The entire fish farm has been created on a wooden platform. It has several tanks where different types of fish are kept. There's actually no fish culture done here, and it's only a show farm for tourists.
Wow.
As for their sting or their barb, over here they are used to human touch, so they don't feel nervous at all. So we call them triggerfish. Yeah.
Visiting.
Wow.
This is a mini stingray.
I don't think
It's a crab.
the shape is similar, right?
Yeah.
But the skin is very hard. We call them horseshoe crab.
The Kilim Geopark is home to a large variety of wildlife. There are eagles everywhere, and many boat tours take you to the best spot to see them. The Langkawi Mangrove Forest, also known as Kilim Geoforest Park, is set along the northeast tip of Langkawi. From Tanjung Ru Beach, it is a 5-minute drive to the entry of the park. The Langkawi Mangrove Forest is covering an area of over 100 square kilometers. Mangroves protect shorelines from damaging winds, waves and floods. They maintain the water quality and clarity by filtering out pollutants.
So I really enjoyed this tour so far. It's really so beautiful. It was very interesting to see the fish farm as well. So we now stop to have a look in a bat cave. So we finished the tour. We got completely soaking wet on the way back, but it was really beautiful. I can absolutely recommend it.
For lunch I had some fried rice with loads of dried anchovies, which was, well, let's say, interesting.
So I must say it looks also exactly like one of the Thai beaches. I'm at Kedawang night market. This night market is every Tuesday and we're going to find some street food. I bought some pastries filled with potato, so let's try it out. It's good, a bit sweet.
Night markets in Langkawi are held every day of the week. We went to the Kedawang night market, which is every Tuesday in Kedawang, near Pantai Penang. Night markets are always good for sampling various types of different food. And night markets are definitely the cheapest places in Langkawi to try out some local food.
vegetables on it, so let's try that. It's salty and sweet and a little bit spicy. Not bad. I'm back at the villa. I am very full of all the food I ate, but yeah, it was very nice to try out some new foods at the night market. and I really enjoyed the Mangrove Tour this morning, so all in all it was a very good day today. So thank you very much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos of me, please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.